Ma'am, you are muted.
Ma'am, you are muted.
Yes, good morning, children. Today we will do
Good
chapter.
morning, ma'am.
Yes, good morning. Unit 2 of reader, that is the relationship. So open page 33.
Ma'am, which book?
Reader. I've already sent you the message that we will be doing reader. We will do relationships. What are relationships?
Ma'am, the vendor sweets, this is a chapter not completed.
Huh? What is not complete? Yes, Faisal Ali, what is not complete?
Ma'am, the vendor sweets.
Vendor of sweets is not complete. Of course, we completed.
No, ma'am, it is not completed.
Vendor of sweet, I told you that you have to do A3. Then we did C also. Section C also we have done.
Ma'am, I also think you.
And
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am. I think we have done it. How is it that can't be possible?
ma'am, I have done.
Yes.
प्रिया ले जाओ, क्लास ज्वाइन हो गया.
Okay. So we will do relationship. Okay, I'll see. I'll check if it is not complete then. But I don't think it.
Ma'am, we have completed.
Yes, I've completed. Must be. They must be absent. Because all the classes I'm doing the same syllabus. I'm going in the same speed. So it can't be possible that your class is I have not done. Not possible. Yes.
Ma'am, can you
Relationship.
repeat page number?
Page 33. Page 33. Relationship.
Good morning,
Now, what is relationship? Huh? What is relationship?
Ma'am, relationship is a love and the kindness with the family member.
Recording in progress.
You know who are your relatives, children? What is relation?
Yes,
Relation
ma'am.
is
I am
your connection
I
with
am
your
only
family
come to
members. Your connection with your family members, like your mother, your father, your brother, sister, aunt,
Ma'am, a
uncle,
friendly or
grandparents,
loving connection between
cousins.
people.
All this is relationship. Okay. Now, first one is an exercise which you can do yourself, children. That is just like M and N are sister and O and P are brothers. Then daughter of M.
Ma'am,
is the
which page
sister of
number you are
P. How
studying?
are N and O related? Now you try to find out how they are related.
Ma'am, please tell page number.
It is like a puzzle only. Yes. So you can
33.
on page 34. Read the following clipping. Discovery reporter. Study reveals healthy relationship vital for success. Now, in a journal, science journal, study reveals that healthy relationship is a vital means is of great importance for success. Now, if you want to be successful, you should have a healthy relationship with your family members.
Ma'am, we have not done page 33.
43.
Ma'am, 33.
33, I told you, na, you will be doing it. Children, why don't you pay attention? This much time I don't have now that I can sit and discuss with you, and our sister. This is for you to solve it.
Yes, ma'am.
It is for you to solve it. आप लोग enjoy करेंगे. You will enjoy doing it in the pastime. That is not related to anything with literature or your reading section. That is just for you to do it.
Literature and language.
Now, London, 29 September, scientists in UK have floated a new theory that healthy relationships are vital for the person's overall success. Now, if you want to be successful, you have to have good relationship
क्या पढ़ाई हो रहा है?
with your family members. Why? Because scientists who studied the behavior of 100 volunteers found out that those who communicated well with their relatives and friends were not only happier at home,
रीडर हो रहा है.
but were also more successful at their workplace. Scientists believe that the healthy relationship provides security and peace of mind and infuse energy and enthusiasm in life, which are essential for good living. Lot of talking is going on. All of you mute yourself.
मैम द अमन राज आस्किंग फॉर मैम क्या चल रहा है?
And I don't understand why you people join so late. Sharp at 11 o'clock you should be here. I start 2 minutes before only. So by 11 o'clock you should be here. It is 11:09, still children are joining. I don't understand this. Now A2, you have to write 4 relationships that you value most. Now what are the 4 relationships which you value most?
Ma'am, father, mother, brother, and sister.
Father, mother, brother, sister,
Brother and
grandparents,
sister.
grandfather, grandmother. It is up to you whom you value more.
Yes.
You can write any relationship. You can write mother, brother, grandfather, uncle, aunt, cousin, anything. Now this is, read the passage given below and find out what role the grandparents play in our lives. Now this role of grandparents is very important. You will surely get it in your examination. One question from this. So you have to read it very carefully and you have to prepare an article on role of grandparents. What is the role of grandparents in your life? Or how are grandparents important for you? Yes? So, wonders of grandparents. Again, I can hear some talking. Mute yourself. Satyam Kumar, please mute yourself. Satyam Kumar, mute yourself. Yes. In emotional importance, the grandparents-grandchild bond is second only to the bond between parents and children. Now, most important emotional relationship is which one for you?
Ma'am, mother and father.
Mother and father, very good. Mother and father play the most important role in your life, isn't it? Now, second important role is played by whom?
Ma'am, grandparents.
Grandparents.
Grandmother.
First,
Ma'am,
in emotional
grandparents.
importance is your parents, and after parents come the grandparents. Grandparents play the second most important role between parents after parents. So grandparents bring warmth and affection to the family life. Grandparents, now they have given everything. Children, what is the role of grandparents? Every line they have given something about the grandparents. Bring warmth and affection to the family life.
Which chapter?
Then grandparents are the cheerleaders in life, bestowing on their grandchildren praise and adoration, encouragement and support. आपने देखा होगा आपके grandparents हमेशा आपको encourage करते रहते होंगे. They must be supporting you all the time. They must be showering their love on you all the time. They must be showing that how much you are important for them. Yes. So this is so they are called the cheerleaders of your life. Those they cheer you up. They tell you that you are so important for them. They also have the opportunity to share their wisdom and wealth of experience with their grandchildren. Now, not only are they cheerleaders, they share their wisdom, whatever they know, whatever they must be advising you also all the time. They must be telling you what you should do, what you should not do, guiding you. They are the guiding light also for you. So they share their wisdom and wealth of experience. Whatever they have experienced in life, they must be sharing you. Be the guiding light to them as they face life's challenges. And so they become the guiding light for you. As you face challenges, you keep asking them, what should you do? How should you behave? And from their experience, they tell you, they guide you. Now, the extra attention and nurturing our grandparents provide tells the children that someone cares for and is genuinely interested in what they think or do. Now, this kind of behavior when they do, have, now you feel that you are so important, you feel that you are cared for by someone, and someone is genuinely without any selfish motive. They are interested in you and they love you. Unconditional love you get. Yes, please mute yourself, children. You people disturb a lot. Siddhant Sharma, please mute yourself. Now, grandparents add a sense of connection to the chain of humanity. It helps to extend life beyond mom, dad, and child living in their own cubicle. What is a cubicle? Cube क्या होता है? आप लोग मैथ्स में पढ़ते हैं ना? हाँ? मैथ्स में क्यूब पढ़ते हैं कि नहीं पढ़ते हैं? So what is a cube? Yes, what is a cube?
A number which is multiplied by itself 3 times.
No, not that cube. Cubicle क्या है? मम्मी पापा ब्रदर सिस्टर बस एक वो बना दिया.
मैम ज्योमेट्री वाला.
ज्योमेट्री वाला नहीं, क्यूबिकल. आई एम सेइंग क्यूब क्या होता है, उसका शेप कैसा होता है? क्यूब का शेप स्क्वायर की तरह होता है ना? स्क्वायर की तरह होता है कि नहीं? क्या होता है? मम्मी पापा ब्रदर सिस्टर, मदर फादर ब्रदर सिस्टर. तो बोल रहे हैं कि they are saying that it helps to extend life beyond mom dad child living in their own cubicle. बोलते हैं grandparents रहते हैं तो आपको you include them also in your family. You are not only 4 of you. You are more than 4. There is a sense of belonging to the human race, a sense of belonging to life, and a sense that there are people out there who love them. And because of the grandparents, the sense of belonging is there. आपको पता चलता है कि you belong to the human race. Now, grandparents also provide a whole sense of history, identity, and heritage. They provide that vital connection with the past where the younger generation has come from. They tell the changes. Now, grandparents, they always keep telling you about the changes which have come Now they must be around 50 to 60 years of old age, or maybe more than that. Must be, I think more than 60 years. Your grandparents must be more than 60 years. So they have got so much experience of 60 years. So they must be sharing it with you. They must be telling you so many things about them. So many changes have come. Every decade there is a change. Decade means 10 years. हर 10 साल पे changes आते रहते हैं. Technology में, medicine में, everything. So if you interact with your grandparents, you will come to know about these changes which are coming and which have come in life. So they tell you about medicine, technology, and community. All the living style change, the change in fashion, the change in technology, the change in medicine. So many changes have come. Grandparenting today is certainly different from what it used to be only a generation ago. Rishabh Raj, please mute yourself. Rishabh Raj. You are not going to mute yourself, children. I will put you in the waiting list.
Sorry, ma'am.
In between, you keep disturbing. Grandparenting today is certainly different from what it used to be only a generation ago. I told you, after every 10, 20 years, lot of changes come. So grandparents nowadays are very different from what it used to be a generation ago. That means what your parents, what type of grandparents your parents must have seen is completely different nowadays. Now we are living in Patna, so you might not see that kind of change in your grandparents. But if you go to metropolitan cities now, you will see a lot of changes. Nowadays, grandparents, they've become so modern. They go to gym, they go to go for swimming, they go for trekking, they go for dancing. So many activities they do, and they are so smart. They do exercises also. So many things they do. So you will see that
Good morning,
grandparents
ma'am.
have completely changed nowadays. Family structures have also gone. Now, why this change has come, children? Earlier, the father used to go out and the mother used to stay at home. Now, she used to look after the children. Nowadays, what has happened? In most of the houses, you will see that both the parents are moving out. Both are working and they are moving out. So what happens? Children are left behind. Now, children, either they go to creche or the grandparents have to come. Siddhant Sharma, what's the problem? Are you having any problem?
Ma'am, he is asking to you something.
Yes,
But his
Pushkar,
network
what
is
are
not
you asking?
proper. Ma'am, Siddhant is asking, but his network is not clear, so the voice is not coming properly.
Okay, you don't worry about Siddhant. You mute yourself. Yes. So now the family structure has undergone a lot of change. Now either the parents have to keep the children somewhere, or the grandparents, they go and live with the children. So family structures have undergone dramatic change, increased occupational mobility. Now, why this change has gone? Earlier, there was joint family system. Then joint family system gradually started breaking up, and people used to move to other cities. Now, once they started moving to other cities, nuclear families came up. That means once the person used to go out for job, now when he gets married, he lives with his wife and then has children. So a nuclear family was formed. So joint family started breaking up. Now this, because of this, lot of changes came. Then when the only one person was working, the male was working, some changes came. Then nowadays what has happened, even the females have started working. That means the mother, father, both are going out. So a lot of family structures have undergone a dramatic change, increased occupational mobility, dual income family. Now where mother and father both move out to work, that is called dual income family. Rapid technological change, and so much technology, change in technology also is there. Children need the stability, the time and the caring. Now who is going to look after the children now? When both the parents are moving out, who's going to look after the children?
Ma'am, grandparents. Ma'am,
companionship-
grandparents.
Yes.
Grandparents.
Now the time and the caring of the grandparents more than
Our
ever.
uncle,
Now
auntie.
they require the grandparents. Now these nuclear family, they have to call their parents. They have to call the grandparents so that they can look after the children. Otherwise, who's going to look after the children? Grandparents can offer their grandchild adult companionship in an often calmer, less hectic setting. Now, both the parents are working. Very hectic schedule is there. Your mother, your father, both are going out. When they come back, they are very tired. They take rest. Then, so they have got very little time to interact with their child. Now, who is going to do this interaction? Now, even the child is growing up, so must be having a lot of problems. Child must be so many queries the child must be having. Yes. You want to say something? So many problems that even the child must be facing. So who is going to solve these problems? Now grandparents. Grandparents can offer their, they give the adult companionship. That means the companionship with the mother and the father used to give, now the grandparents will give. When geography and grandparents, because they are living at home, so they have got so much time. All the time they are available. Whenever you have any problem, you can go out and ask. You don't have to wait. Now, if your parents are working, you have to wait for them. When they will come back, then only you can put your problem in front of them. But grandparents are available all the time in the house. So whenever you have any problem, you can go to them. Now, when geographically close means when they are living with you. Grandparents can often be more generous with their time. Now, generous with their time, that means they have got lot of time to give to you. Unlike your parents who are working. And that extra attention that busy families crave for, they can help to stabilize the family environment. Now, grandparents stabilize the family environment. अब आप सब चीज को व्यवस्थित कर देते हैं उन लोग, grandparents. Otherwise, what will happen? Everyone is rushing out, moving out. Now, imagine if both your parents are working, and when you go back from school, now who is going to open the door for you? No one. You have to open it yourself and get inside, then eat your food. If you have any problem, anything, any health issue, anything, you have to wait till your mother or your father comes back. Now, if grandparents are there in the house, who's going to open the door for you? Your grandparents.
Ma'am, grandparents.
Yes.
Ma'am,
Who's going to give you food?
Grandparents.
Your grandparents.
I'm grandparents.
Ma'am,
Yes.
grandparents.
So, which type of life you would like to lead? With your grandparents or without your grandparents?
Ma'am, with my grandparents. My grandparents.
Yes, yes. So grandparents are very precious, very, very precious. If they are staying with you, that means you are the luckiest person. Now, today's grandparents add another perspective. They may still provide the milk and cookies and the warm hugs and the little extras, but our vision of grandparents has changed. Nowadays, children, although आपके grandparent हमने जो बताया आपको कि they have become very advanced and smart and all. That is, you might not be seeing this kind of grandparents here, but lot of changes have come in their attitude also. No longer they imagine, we don't imagine them as an old lady. Now grandmother, you will not imagine that she's an old lady sitting on a chair and knitting booties, and grandfather is a gray haired man who is smoking pipe and all. इस टाइप का आपको नहीं आप सोचेंगे. आपको पता है कि आपके ग्रैंड पेरेंट्स बहुत, आजकल की ग्रैंड पेरेंट्स आर वेरी एडवांस्ड. Now grandparents today are multi-dimensional. They are still comparatively young and are doing amazing things. They are vital, active, intelligent, interesting, with a wealth of information and knowledge. And they swim, weightlift, and go camping. I told you earlier that they do all sort of things which younger generation is doing. Even they are doing the same thing. Now, when children see older people continuing to live active life, they see that good stuff comes with aging. अब जब बच्चे ये देखते हैं कि मेरे ग्रैंड पेरेंट्स भी वैसे ही एक्टिव हैं जैसे पेरेंट्स हैं, तो दे गुड स्टफ, उनके अंदर एक अच्छी फीलिंग आती है कि इवन यू डोंट हैव टू स्केयर द ओल्ड एज. दैट फीलिंग कम्स. Instead of fearing the aging process, they learn to age gracefully. They do not view the older population as frail, unwell, and scary. और अपने ग्रैंड पेरेंट्स को उसने वीक, कमजोर से, अनवेल, बीमार हैं, खांस रहे हैं, एंड स्केरी, इस सब से उनको डर नहीं लगा है कि बूढ़े हो जाएंगे तो क्या होगा. Now this leaves an impact on the child's mind also, that when I will grow old or when my parents will grow old, they will become like this. No, nowadays grandparents, they keep themselves fit. They are active, they keep themselves fit, they do exercise, they do go for walk, all kinds of things they do to keep themselves fit. So you also feel very nice when you see your active grandparents. Now, likewise, the more the elder interact with the children and the young generation people, the less hesitant they seem to be. A lot of elders are scared of teens, but if they sit down with one and get into a dialogue, they will see the goodness in them. Now, people nowadays say, आजकल के बच्चों से तो बात करना बेकार है. They say like this, but it is not like that. If they interact with this generation, they will see so many good things are there in this generation also. So interaction is very important. That the how many generation children? Grandparents, parents, and then grandchildren. 3 generation है. इसका interaction होना बहुत जरूरी है. एक दूसरे के संग इन लोग को बातचीत करनी चाहिए. They should sit together. They should share their ideas, everything. Then only you can enjoy. So a lot of elders are scared, but if they sit down and have a dialogue, they see the goodness in them. Similarly, if the youngsters interact with the elders, they find out a lot about their human attributes. It is beneficial to both and the young and the old alike to have a relationship with someone at the opposite end of life. Now, this is important for both the generation, for the grandparents as well as the children also. These days, more and more grandparents are playing a vital role in the lives of their grandchildren. Why are they playing a vital role, important role in the life of the grandchildren? Now tell me, sum it up.
Ma'am, because mother and father both go.
Very good. Yes, yes. Because both the parents, if they are working now, yes, the grandparents are the ones who will look after the children. So they play a very important role. Millions of elders are discovering the joy of becoming a grandparent. Children are developing a deep sense of belonging to them and are experiencing a security of unconditional love. Now children also develop a deep sense of belonging to them. उन लोग को भी लगता है कि ये मेरे बहुत, I told you na, after parents, who are the most important relation? Grandparents. The sense of belonging is there. आपको लगता है कि ये मेरे अपने हैं, ये मेरा कभी भी गलत नहीं कर सकते हैं. They can never misguide you. They will always go for your benefit. So, and their unconditional love, बिना किसी selfish motive के वो आपको प्यार देते हैं, जो कि कोई और relationship नहीं देगा, except parents and grandparents. Children are developing a deep sense of belonging to them and are experiencing the security of unconditional love. It's the only relationship, says Dr. Arthur Conacher of the Foundation of Grandparenting, in which people are crazy about each other simply because they are breathing. Now, because we are living on this earth, we are crazy for each other. Now, children, the exercises of Unit 2A, A section, you have to do it for homework. If you have any problem and you face any problem, we can discuss it on in the next class. Since we have got very little time left, I would just like to do A4. A4. Now, grandparents, they are the cheerleaders. What else are they? They are the
Ma'am, what is the homework?
guiding light.
Ma'am, they are the second bond.
Ma'am, they
Ma'am,
provide
what is
sense,
the homework?
provide
अभी
sense
आपको
of
क्या
humanity.
बताया मैंने?
Ma'am, what is the homework?
नहीं, don't ask. Just now I have told you. That means you don't pay attention. Yes, they are the cheerleaders.
Ma'am, they bring.
Ma'am, they provide a sense of humanity.
Yes, they are the guiding light.
Ma'am, they
Guiding
provide
extra attention. Yes, they
extra
provide
attention. Ma'am, they help to establish family.
Yes,
Ma'am,
they
what
add
is the
connection to the
They
chain of
develop a
humanity. They add connection
Ma'am,
to
they
the chain of
develop-
humanity. Then they
Ma'am,
share
they
the
develop
wisdom
a
and
sense of belonging
wealth of
among
experience.
children.
Yes. They bring warmth
Ma'am,
and affection.
And they are the sources of history.
Yes.
Ma'am, they offer adult companionship.
Very good. Very good. So
Ma'am,
many,
they
many
develop a
points.
Ma'am, they have a resources of history.
Unconditional love.
Yes,
Ma'am, they
yes.
develop a sense of security and unconditional love.
So 6 points you have to write.
And ma'am, they have also the resources of history.
Now fill in the blank, children. You will do it yourself. Then you have HOTS. A dual income family is one in which both the husband and the wife work outside the home to earn and support the family financially. This trend is fast gaining ground in India. It has its own pros and cons. And list the pros and the cons. What are the good points of this kind of family and what are the bad points? So pros में लिखेंगे अच्छे point. Now अच्छा point क्या होगा? Dual income. Yes, both the family dual income है तो क्या होगा? If you are having more income, what will happen? You can enjoy all the comforts.
Ma'am, ma'am, very rich. Yes, ma'am.
You can enjoy more comforts. You can have a good education.
Ma'am, and I'm
You
also
can study in good schools. Then what else? What are the pros for this type of dual income family? What are the pros? Cons क्या है? Children feel neglected. Dual income में क्या है? Children feel neglected.
ma'am, they do not, ma'am, they not, ma'am, they not, they, ma'am, they not, ma'am, they not get some uses of.
Ma'am, they not spend the time with her parents.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, they don't get they cannot spend quality time with their parents.
How they are, what they are eating else. They do love. Ma'am, they do not
इसी
get the
तरह
love
के
of the
points को
parents.
ढूंढ के लिखिएगा आप. Now very little time is left.
And I'm also not get the scold of.
How has the role of grandparents become all the more important in families in which both parents are working? Now इसमें दिया हुआ है आपके page 35 में.
Ma'am, what is the homework? Ma'am,
Page
what is
35, last paragraph, they have given the role. Why grandparents have become more important. Okay. Now this way you will complete this section A. You will do for homework, children. Okay. See you in the next class. Bye.
Bye,
See you in
ma'am.
the next class, children.
Bye, ma'am. Bye,
Yes.
ma'am.
Thank you.
Bye,
Do
ma'am.
section A. Section A.
Okay, ma'am. You have to write in the copy. Ma'am, copy number